We've done pizza, we've done shakshuka, this is ratatouille.
I'm allergic to tomatoes, and over the last couple weeks, I've been showing you how I use mangoes to recreate tomato dishes. Sounds a bit weird, I know, but both are rich and sweet fruits that break down easily, forming a sauce. Something I've been able to prove time and time again. So what kind of princess would I be if I didn't recreate the most Disney dish of all? Don't answer that. Not sure I want to know what you're going to say. And yes, this is going to be the Disney-fied ratatouille, which isn't real ratatouille, but instead a tienne, or baked vegetable dish known as, brace for impact on this one, Confit Byaldi? Feel free to correct my pronunciation in the comments. This dish starts off easy by roasting 2 yellow bell peppers until their skin is nice and crispy. You'll see variations of this dish out the wazoo. Some use yellow peppers, some use green, some even use Romano. But trust me, I studied so many before hitting the kitchen, and this is what I came up with. Once your peppers have been cleared of their crisp, toss them in a blender with 28 ounces of rinsed canned mangoes. Doesn't have to be canned for you, just for me. I suck at picking mangoes. Give it a whirl. The smoother this is, the smoother your plating will be. So blend, baby, blend. Next, transfer your mixture to a pan and add 1/2 teaspoon of freshly chopped basil, 1 basil stalk, 2 teaspoons of parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and then my secret ingredient, a 1/4 teaspoon of sumac. This is going to raise the acidity and push your mangoes into tomato territory. Oh, and of course salt. Can't forget salt. Well, that comes to a simmer. Let's go be vegetable ninjas. See this eggplant? You like this eggplant, don't you? Well, bam! Like it now? Cut 1 large zucchini and eggplant of average size into thin slices, about 3/8 inch. If your zucchini is rolling around like mine, you can cut a strip off the bottom. Like this. See? Stability. Now in making ratatouille, size matters. See this? This won't work. But by quartering your eggplant slices, you can now stack with ease. With that problem solved, it's on to our mangoes. Slice them into 3/8 inch pieces. Oh, this isn't working. Mash your mangoes so that you have a nice little bowl of mango mush. Look, we're going to spoon this between layers. It'll be fine. Once you've organized your slices by color, it's time to assemble your rainbow. Take your time here, but not too long. The quicker you do this, the quicker you'll be able to taste this rainbow. Now that all our vegetables are perfectly in place, generously spoon on a mixture of olive oil and fresh herbs. I'm using parsley and basil so the flavors of this tie into the flavors of our sauce. With our dish done and looking like a snack, it's time to pop it into the oven. That's 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius. Be sure to cover with a lid beforehand. This will help the vegetables steam and not get dry. After an hour and a half, remove the lid and continue to cook for another 25 minutes. After that, your ratatouille should look like what dreams are made of. If you don't have one of those convenient rings owned by everyone who's ever made ratatouille ever, same. Just fold up some aluminum foil, grab a piece of tape, and there you go, ring. Now carefully load your ring 1 line of vegetables at a time. Make sure you fill in all the gaps. We want this thing structurally sound. Panic-inducing lift. Beautiful. And I didn't even need a rat to tell me what to do. From my kitchen to yours, eat happy.